Gotta make amends to all the broken relationships that I've had in my life. To all the people that abandoned ship. Sorry I cannot be there for you when you were despaired and impaired. I wish I could have prepared for this.